Hey guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to UpIQ, and in this video I'm going to show you how to check the Google Chrome Task Manager on your computer. So once you're inside your once you're on Google Chrome, click the three dots on the upper right hand side, go down to where it says more tools, and here you'll have the Task Manager in the list. Click on that, and here is the current Task Manager for Google Chrome. Now from here you can go ahead and switch between tabs and extensions, or you can go to the browser section as well, or if you want to just view all tasks you can do that, but this is how you have it, and it simply works similar like your normal Windows browser. So if I want to close Google Chrome itself, I can click browser here in this one and just click end task, and I'll be able to end the task. Or if I right click as well, I have some options here that I could actually do as well. So you can easily check these, and if you find something that you want to close, click on it and end the task, and that's how you actually do it, guys. But that's it. You can see how much memory each task is using and your CPU, and so you can easily control your Google Chrome by checking the task manager. Very easy and very simple, guys.